In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a private YouTube video link. When you set a video to private on YouTube, it means only the people you specifically allow can watch it. This is really useful if you want to share a video with family, friends, or maybe a client, but you don't want the whole world to see it. So let's get started. First, open YouTube Studio on your computer, and once it loads, look at the left-hand menu and click. On the Content tab here, you'll see all your uploaded videos make. Sure, the Videos tab is selected, then find the video you want to share privately. Click on the title or the Details icon to open the Video Details page. Now scroll down to the Visibility section. If the video is already set to private, you'll see the word Private there. Click on the small drop-down arrow, and from the options, select Share Privately. A pop-up box will appear where you can type in the Gmail addresses of the people you want to give access to. Remember, it has to be Gmail accounts. Other email addresses won't work, and only those added will be able to view your video, so make sure you're typing them correctly. Once you've entered the email addresses, check the box that says Notify via email, so the people will get a message in their inbox letting them know that the video has been shared with them. This step is important because otherwise they may not even realize you've given them access. Then click on the Done button. You'll see confirmation that the video has been shared privately with the email addresses you typed in. After that, click Save to apply the changes. Now the people you shared the video with will receive an email from YouTube. They just have to open it, click the link inside, and it will take them directly to the private video that only they can view if they're signed in with the Gmail account you use. They'll be able to watch without any issue.